how to play jazz guitar. Let's talk about comping for a minute. So there's 5 basic ways to comp. If you know those 5 ways and practice those things in order, you will be able to comp beautifully for virtually every type of jazz tune you're going to run into. No more guessing work, no more wondering what's going to work. You'll be able to be creative, but you'll always know how to play the right thing. People will be amazed. They'll want to play with you and solo while you're comping for them because it's going to feel so good. This is the secret I learned when I started playing with Dizzy Gillespie at 19. Was I fully formed as a jazz guitar player? No way, no how. But when I comped, boy, it felt good. So when Dizzy soloed on top of what I was playing, he liked it. It worked. This is so important. Do you know the 5 ways to comp? Do you know those things? That's what we're going to cover. Class 1, Class 2, the 5 basic ways to comp. I'll give you the exercises. Practice the long tracks, backing tracks to practice them. I'm going to show you how to apply it to things you know immediately within a day or hours. Your comping is going to go way up. You'll comp for someone and they'll be like, wow, that felt really great. That was great. How's that possible? Because I've distilled years, 40 years of comping for the greatest musicians in the world into what works and what doesn't work. That's what I want to share with you. Now check this out. The whole course, right, is practical like that. It's $300 for all this information that you have permanent access to. With a money-back guarantee. If you take the course, you take the class, and you don't think, I don't think it's worked for me, you get your money back. There's 0 risk, and people still don't sign up. Why don't you sign up? If there's no risk to you, what do you have to lose? Why are you on the sidelines? You can go on my Facebook page and see what people are writing about it. It's not that I'm the world's greatest this or that, but I have spent a lifetime thinking about what works, what doesn't work, and why, and how can I teach that in a way that's simple, easy, makes sense, and will give you measurable progress in reasonable time. That's my mission. The link down below is to sign up. I encourage you to do it. Take the first class. If you don't like it, you say, you know what? I don't like his teaching style. I already know this stuff. It doesn't work for me. Money back. No questions asked. But what if it works? What if it's exactly what you're looking for? What if it's exactly what you need? The answer you've been hoping to find? What if it's that? Then that $300 is nothing. There you have it. That's not a hard sell. That's a hard truth. I hope to see you in the class. We'll be starting soon in August. Sign up. Lots of love. Bye.